Do you want a bike lock that's both light and tough, easy to transport, yet hard to break? Then you have to check out this bike lock. It is made of hardened steel that is lightweight and extremely resilient. It has a super secure locking mechanism. It's not just tough to break, it's also tough to pick or pry open too. That's thanks to this ultra secure locking mechanism. The bike lock features an extra soft plastic coating to keep your bike unharmed and in pristine condition. So this is how you use the Sigtuna folding bike lock. Step 1, unfold the lock. Step 2, secure the lock. Step 3, test the lock. The heavy-duty steel lock with anti-scratch coating protects your bike from theft and damage. The foldable design allows for quick and easy mounting to bike frames or rails. This bike lock also comes with a great carrying case and 2 straps, that way it's easily mountable on any bike. Keeps it nice and secure. There's no wiggling or movement when you're riding your bike. This is a heavy-duty bike lock that is great quality, has anti-scratch protection, is waterproof, and has a compact and portable design. It's a great lock for peace of mind. Thanks for watching.